Hey everyone, welcome back to Auto Repair. If your check engine light just came on and you scanned your car only to see P0442, don't worry, you're not alone, and it's usually not a major problem. P0442 is a diagnostic trouble code that means your car's computer has detected a small leak in the EVAP system. That's the system that captures fuel vapors from your gas tank and keeps them from escaping into the air. Common causes of P0442. Number 1. Loose or faulty gas cap. Most common cause. If the cap isn't tight or the seal is damaged, vapors can escape. Remove. Inspect for cracks or a hardened O-ring. Clean the cap and filler neck. And retighten until it clicks. Replace if the rubber seal is cracked or it doesn't click when tightened. Number 2. Cracked or disconnected EVAP hoses. Look for dry, brittle or broken vacuum lines near the charcoal canister or purge valve. Hoses going to the purge valve, vent valve, or canister can dry rot due to age and fuel vapor exposure. These tiny cracks can be hard to see but enough to trip. P0442. Some scanners let you test EVAP monitors, purge valve operation, and more. See if the code comes back after clearing. Number 3. Faulty purge valve. These valves can stick open or closed, causing pressure problems in the system. Check and replace purge vent valves if sticking or not sealing properly. Number 4. Small leak in the charcoal canister. The canister can crack or degrade, leading to vapor leaks. Replace the charcoal canister if damaged or leaking. Number 5. Leaking fuel tank or filler neck. Small rust holes or pore seals around the filler neck can trigger the code. Often involves dropping the tank for repair or replacement. Tips. Clear the code and see if it returns after tightening the gas cap. If it doesn't come back, you're really good. If the light returns, don't ignore it for too long. Some areas require a working EVAP system for emissions testing. Use quality OEM or high-rated aftermarket parts to avoid repeat issues. So that's the lowdown on the P0442 code. Not super scary, but definitely something to handle before it turns into a bigger issue. If this helped you out, give it a like, and don't forget to subscribe for more DI auto tips. Got questions? Drop questions. Drop in the comments. I read them all. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, like and comment. And don't forget to subscribe.